Good morning, children. Hope you have understood the chapter digesting food, right? So, children, I have sent an activity of this chapter, isn't it? Okay, what is that activity? To label the parts and mention the function of it. Have you all done it? Okay. Let's check the answer, children. Okay. Let us start, children. Okay, first we will check the organs of our body. So, first organ is mouth. And next is esophagus or food pipe. Next, stomach. And this organ is pancreas. Next organ is small intestine. Next organ is large intestine. Next, liver. Next, rectum. And last is anus. Now let us check the functions in digestive system. So what is the function of the mouth? As I discussed before, the function of the mouth is to chew the food and break the food into small pieces and swallow it with the help of saliva. Isn't it? Okay. Next, the organ is esophagus. So, transport of food from mouth to stomach takes place here. The function of esophagus is to transport food material from the mouth to stomach. And the next organ we are going to discuss is stomach. Here, the digestive juices break down of food. So, the enzymes of the stomach are responsible for the breakdown of food. In the stomach, digestive juices aid in breaking down of food. And the next organ is small intestine. Small intestine break down food using enzymes made in pancreas. That is, the small intestine is also called the workhouse of digestion. Why? Because the nutrients are absorbed in the small intestine. Next organ we are going to talk about is large intestine. Here, large intestine absorbs water and vitamins from the food. Like it absorbs water and vitamins in the food and sends the remaining food as waste. Next organ is rectum. It receives solid waste of food from our body. Like where does it receive? It receives from the large intestine and it sends to the anus. Next is anus. The anus is the last part of the digestive tract. It sends the solid waste out of the body. Next organ is liver. Actually, liver produces the bile juice in the digestive system, which helps to breaking up of fats that are eaten. This makes easier of fatty food to be digested in the stomach and intestine. Next, coming to pancreas. Pancreas produces enzymes that are important for the digestion. Children, hope you have got the answer for the activity. Check once, children, and send the pic of activity through OOLO app.